Hi, welcome back to Detailing World. In this video, we're going to take a look at Garage Therapy's One Wheel Shampoo. So as I say, we're going to be looking at the One Wheel Shampoo. Now the One range is the maintenance range. Now this wheel shampoo has been one of my favourite products released of 2019 last year, and something I do use a fair bit of. It's also a very, very economical product. Now at the moment it seems to be the in thing where manufacturers add fallout removing elements into the wheel cleaners. Me, I prefer just to have a dedicated wheel cleaner. Now there is a time and a place for wheel cleaners to contain fallout removers, but to me that means you're stripping off any protection on your wheels every time you use that. So yeah, the One Wheel Shampoo is just a nice, safe wheel cleaning product that's not going to strip everything that you've already put onto the wheels to help protect them. So one of my favourite things about this One Wheel Shampoo is how economical it is. So the instructions do say you just need 20 ml into 4 or 5 gallons of water. Now that's the way I was using it for the first few months of using it. I used it a whole bunch of times doing it that way. However, you can get even more economical, so we'll just stick with the bucket method at the moment. The downside for me is it felt a bit weird. So after 20 years almost of using wheel shampoos in a spray bottle, putting a wheel shampoo into a bucket of water just seemed a bit alien, seemed a bit strange, to be fair. However, that said, it is nice just to leave your brushes soaking in that soapy solution. Now, if you want to get really economical, what you can do is take a foaming sprayer, such as the Maralex sprayers, and you can dilute this down as 1 to 100. Which basically means in a 1 litre of water, you need 10 ml of product. So this is a 3 litre sprayer. Now I typically mix up 2 litres of water in here with 20 ml of this. This will last 4, maybe 5 washes, if not more. So yeah, you do the maths there, 500 ml, that's gonna get you 25, basically 2 litre mixers into that. And yeah, that does your car sort of 4 times, that's 100 washes. So that bottle is going to last you maybe 2 years if you put it into something like this. So who's this product made for then? Well, in my opinion, it's for those who have got well-maintained wheels or maybe a delicate finish on your wheels as well. So it's not too acidic, it's not going to go in there sort of like all guns blazing and eat everything, but it will clean off any brake dust and dirt on the wheels in a gentle way. As I say, it's also very, very economical as well. So yeah, if you do look after your wheels and you keep on top of those, this is a product for you. Combine this with a foaming sprayer, you're onto a winner. So yeah, definitely recommend this one. And once again, yes, this is something I would definitely buy if I had to. But yeah, once again, thanks to Garage Therapy for sending this out for me to basically do a review, and hope you guys have found this video useful. If you have, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing. We've got more of these videos coming up for the rest of the Garage Therapy range, so make sure you don't miss them.